Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. All right, so today we're checking out this anti-fog cleaning device, or basically goes on your windshields or anything that fogs up and stops it from fogging up. So let's test this out. So the first thing you got to do is there's a little plastic thing in here, and open that up, and then you feed, let's see, feed these little wipes through here. And then I'm going to test it out on this mirror I got right here. Let's see. Well, all right, so we got to roll that out a little bit and try to force it through that little hole there. There we go. Okay. There we are. And then this just screws on there. So, first things first, I'm going to test out this mirror here. All right, see it gets all foggy? Look at that, that's really foggy. Okay, so we'll take our wipe here. Nice. And let's see what happens. Clean that off real good. Okay, it leaves kind of like a residue on there, but then it's kind of like going away. Okay, so these probably for like larger things. I'm just going to do the other side too here. It does help clean too. So sorry about this, the mirror was a little dirty, so I just kind of, because these are a little bit moist, I think. Okay, so if you had like a larger mirror or a windshield, if this works, I'm going to be putting it on my windshield too. So, all right, it's mostly got most of the stuff off there. Let's give it a shot here. Wow, it didn't stick at all. Look at that. It's completely, no fog on there at all. That's impressive. So it says it works on glasses, all that stuff. So anti-fog treatment until it becomes bright. Okay, so you can gently wipe this off if it's too much on there. You can use your little wipe and then wipe it off with a paper towel, it says. So if that's too much like that, so but wow, that's crazy. It works like, I literally can't get anything to go on there. So whether you have a defrost or something in your car, it doesn't work that well, or like your glasses fog up a lot of times, especially when we were wearing masks not too long ago and you had glasses. Seems like all that air would go up there, fog up your glasses. Anti-fog wipes here, amazing. Works as advertised, my friends. I cannot get this to fog up at all, so that's really impressive. Yeah, SHIELDOM anti-fog. This is legit for sure. I'm super impressed. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.